Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel, Laid Back Cooking with Nana. Today's meal is dal curry. Yeah, here's all my ingredients. You will see my garlic, my cloves, my stick cinnamon, my star aniseed, my ginger and my garlic. Here's my chicken, I cut it up already. This is my dal, I laid it in some water. I washed it first and then I put it in some water just to get bigger. And this is my tomato and my onions, salt, and then my curry spices. I'm using the red lentils. We call it, the colors call it dal. Yeah. And then I'm using my Raja curries. I love my Raja curries. I mix the different sorts. Like you can see there, it's the mild, the medium, and the all-in-one. And then I mix it up in my pot, and then I use it. Yeah. So we will start now. We will start today. And this, my rice is on already. I made my rice. As you can see, some white rice with it. It's dal curry with meat, dal curry with chicken, or dal curry with fish. Then she will fry the fish one side and she'll make her rice, and then she dish it up and the fish one side. It made a very nice dish. As you can see, I'm using my hot pot, my oma's pot. Can you see? Here's my oma's pot. Die hot. Ik weet nie of jy nog hom kry nie. I don't think so. It's very rare. But this pot makes the best food. The best food. Let's show you something my husband made. This is our honoki. Onions, my green peppers, and my tomatoes. Ja, ik gooi alles samen in. Program now. Oh, let me put it softer because I don't know if that stuff is allowed. So yes, I'm going to make my onions, my green pepper, and my tomato little golden brown. And when that is nice and golden brown, I will add my garlic and stuff. But ons vroumense, ons moet elke dag so creatief wees met die kos. Ons moet so dink, wat gaan vandag? 2 cups of rice, because we only 3 people in the house. So while I was putting my water, my salt, my rice in my pot, I was thinking of one day. My brother phoned me and he asked me, Chantal, hoe kook 'n mens rice? I said, what? He said, yes, I want to make rice. I made curry, but I want to boil rice now. Do I put fish oil in my water when I boil my rice? I said, no, silly. You don't put fish oil in your water. You just put water and your salt. He said, oh, I thought you put fish oil in it. And my spices, my ginger, my cinnamon sticks, my aniseed, star aniseed, and my cloves in now. And nice, eh? Let's go. My curry in now. You see, I'm using a spoon, the tablespoon. I'm putting 2 of the seed. 2. That's enough. Do now. Stir it up and let my curry to fry with my onions. and green pepper and tomato. Reason, it gives such a burnt flavor, a roasty, a deep roasty flavor in your curry. If you give such a burn, just going to show you now how it looks. I don't know if you can see, but it's almost like it's sticking to the pot at the bottom. The curry is like that, it's fine. It smells very nice and it tastes, it's just a different taste in your food. Now, I don't like to put water in my food, but if I have to, I'll put a half a cup or a cup in. I'll put my chicken in now. Then we're going to leave our chicken. And you hear that sizzling? Oh, that's sizzling. If it sizzles like that, oh, then it's a proper way, and you must know your curry is going to be done. With the stir, and let it just simmer. My rice on now. And I'm going to steam my rice. Oh, it smells like curry. Oh, lekker. Just want to show you how it looks. You see? I'll put a small little, a cup of water in, warm water. Just for the chicken to get done, so that I can put my dal in. Now it can lekker steam until it's done. Put my salt in. That is about a tablespoon of salt I put in. I'll put a little bit more in, so half a tablespoon. You can make the food to your taste and your flavor. Sometimes my salt enough is not your salt enough. So you make it and the taste to your taste. Wonderful. It's gonna be so blessed tonight. Yummy in the tummy. Aha! Nice. So yes, let me tell. Story time now. You know, guys, this channel was an idea I had long time ago. And when I started with the channel, now, the weekend, I started to put everything in place. And I made my first video over the weekend, but that video didn't come out the way I wanted it. And another thing is, I do photocopy CVs and stuff like that for people. And then a guy came here. I don't know if he's gonna listen to this, but anyway, he came here and he made copies. Then he told us what is his profession. And then I said, yo, this is the right person. I said to him, I told him I want to open a YouTube channel and I need help. I don't know where to start. I did start with my videos, but I can't do the editing. I don't know how to do the editing. I don't know where to start. Nothing. Then he said, no, I will help you. I will come back tomorrow and I will help you. I will set up your YouTube for you and I will do your editing. I will help you. I didn't want him to do it for free. I asked him, what's your price range? He said, no, it's fine. It's your first time, so I will help you. I said, yes, you can just show me the first time. I will I know I will be able to do it in the future, but I need someone to show me. Yeah, I was waiting for this man the whole week to come. He didn't pitch, but it's fine. It's fine. He's not obligated to come. But if you give your word to someone, your word counts a lot. If you say yes, you need to act up to that yes. So today's life, people, they talk a lot, but they're not doing anything. Especially the generation we in now. Not all of them, but some of them can talk a lot. So yes, then I asked my husband to help me edit. I asked my son to help me edit. En hulle het net hulle eie goed gedoen, net 'n bietjie, dan sê hulle die video's is te lank. But you must more shorten the videos. I don't know. I don't know. It's my first time. Um, then I asked someone on Instagram. I always watch his videos. This guy's videos. BSB ZA. I always watch his videos. Then I asked him. Then he gave me some links that I must follow and stuff I must download. Then I did my download yesterday. I didn't feel well yesterday, but anyway, I did it. I made food very late, and I was sitting up till past 12 last night with this editing and trying to upload a video on YouTube. And this morning I was praying. I said, Lord, let your will be done. And I'm just going to do it. And this morning I uploaded my first video, the stir fry video. I uploaded my video, and tomorrow journey, you get your challenges, but you must just get away, to get over it, to work through it. Because a challenge is just a challenge. And if you tell yourself you are bigger than that challenge, you can do whatever you set your mind to. So yes, that is my story for the day. All in. See now, it's ready. This red lentil food, the dal curry, it doesn't take long. If your chicken is ready, then it will go. I put my red lentils in now. Now you must be careful what name brands you take. All the name brands is not the same. This is the name brand I'm using. Brand that's here for years, for years, for years, for years. Put some water in, warm water. It'll be ready. You see? Let's just boil away now. And the lentils must get this proper consistency. How it looks. It's almost done. This is now how it looks. You see all the water is almost gone. Now I'm going to give it a stir. And I'm going to leave it so about for 10 minutes still. And then it will be ready to dish. Doesn't it look nice? Yeah. Like lekker, ne? Yeah. You just give it a stir already. Because you will see the lentils. Well, there's now nothing hard. I'm going to put it off and let it stay. My family is going to enjoy this food tonight. Ons het lank dal curry gehad. Baie lang las. Because it's home now. I don't make food like this, but I didn't know what to do today. So, dal curry. Yes, Nana. I want to thank all my friends and family that's been part of this adventure with me. Late Night Cooking with Nana. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Toodles!